Hi, this is CC Skywave with SSB. This is the box which contains the actual radio. It certainly resembles the initial iPhone boxes. Top view of the box has a brand logo with CC Skywave SSB written, the angle picture of the actual radio and the bands that the radio can tune into, that is FM, AM, Weather Alert Plus, Shortwave SSB and Aviation band. On the left side, you find bullet points about the finer features, 10 aviation memories, individual ham and shortwave bands, 10 Hz resolution on single sideband and 6 selective bandwidths. On the right side, we have the includes of the box, Skywave SSB carry case, CC shortwave reel antenna, CC earbuds. On the upper side of the box, there are a few more bullet points about the radio, DSP digital signal processing technology, superior sensitivity and selectivity, include CC Buds and radio case, 500 memory presets, CC shortwave reel antenna, runs on 2 AA batteries which are not included in the box, digital clock with 12 24-hour format, alarm and 1 year limited warranty. The bottom side of the box has pictures of the radio in different angles and a message from C-Crane. Opening the box, you find a warranty registration card. Below the card is an instruction brochure. Below the brochure is a pouch which holds the actual radio. Keeping the radio aside, let's look into the accessories of the radio. We have CC shortwave reel antenna and CC earbuds. All of these are in a white tray which seems to be made up of plaster of Paris. Finishing of the pouch is soft on the outside with brand name and the inner side of the pouch is soft velvety. Coming back to the radio itself, size of the radio is something that will surprise you. This is a tiny radio with a dimension 4.8 inches width, 3 inches height and 1.1 inches depth. It looks portable and can be carried with you while you travel. The reason why I bought this radio is because of its features. I already own CC Pocket and EP Pro. They are basically 2-band radios which has AM and FM band, with CC Pocket including weather alert band. This is how it looks on the front. The top left corner has a brand logo with the speaker grill below and the speaker size is 1.5 inches. It's a 25 ohm speaker with 0.5 watt output. On the right hand side top we have a LCD display with 2/4 inches in width and 1.2 inches in height. Surrounding the LCD display there are the input buttons which we will talk about in a while. The right side of the radio has a tuning knob and a volume control. Left side of the radio has a headphone out and USB mini power input. Bottom of the radio is a reset button. Top of the radio is a whip antenna which when extended helps in tuning all the bands other than medium wave or AM. On the back of the radio we have few details about the multiple functions of the tuning knob, a flip out stand, battery compartment. This radio uses 2 AA batteries and I'm using rechargeables to power it. So this is it, C-Crane CC Skywave ready to operate. At first we will talk about the input buttons and their multiple functions. The red button on the top right corner is a power button and it is responsible to turn on off the radio. It also helps to activate the sleep timer. To activate the sleep timer, press and hold the red button when the power is off. You can choose maximum 120 minutes to 15 minutes and the radio will turn off when it reaches the sleep time. Once you set the sleep timer, the radio remembers that every time you activate sleep timer, the radio will shut down after it reaches the desired time. Below the power button there is AM FM. Press AM FM to switch between AM band and the FM band. AM FM button pressed for 2 seconds activates the weather alert band and you can set it up to 16 hours. Release the button and it selects the alert hours you chose. While radio is off, the alert activated, it will consume the same amount of power as if radio is fully on and the light will continue to flash indicating the alert is on and working. Below are the up-down buttons. Pressing it once lets you tune to the next frequency. Holding the button for 2 seconds automatically tunes to the next strong station. Frequency button helps to manually input the desired frequency. Press frequency button and enter the frequency and the radio will tune to the frequency entered. Page button or change tone. Each memory page allows you to save 10 additional stations per band. To change to a different page, press the page button once quickly, then press any memory button 0 to 9 to select the page that you desire. To change between music and voice tone, press and hold this button for 2 seconds. Display will switch between music and voice. Press the light button to turn the backlight on off. Press and hold light button for 2 seconds and the radio will scan the entire band and set all the available stations in sequence. Press lock button to lock the radio. Once you lock the radio won't accept any inputs other than the volume. In the shortwave band, the meter stereo button will change between popular broadcast meter bands. In SSB mode, the meter stereo button will change between popular amateur radio bands. In the FM band, the meter stereo button will cycle between stereo and mono FM reception. Typically, FM mono will have better reception than FM stereo. Bandwidth filters. Bandwidth filters is for AM, shortwave, SSB and air bands only. On AM, shortwave and air bands, there are 5 bandwidth settings that can be used to filter out unwanted noise or adjust in overlapping stations. The WXSW AIR button helps you tune on the weather band, the shortwave band and the AIR band. With AIR band, you can listen to communications between pilots and control tower. CC Skywave SSB can receive all 7 NOAA weather band channels. NOAA is short for National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It is a network of stations across the USA and territories that continuously broadcast local weather and forecast. The SSB button, when pressed, lights an LED on the button, and this button helps you tune the SSB, that is single side band. With the help of upper side band and lower side band button, you can tune to different ham radio conversations. The fine tune button is very helpful in tuning the SSB ham broadcasters. Well, these are the different features and functions of the input buttons on CC Skywave SSB. Let's now listen to the radio. I will be doing a rough scan on AM band today and I'll show you how it performs.
ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕಲ್ಮಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೇರೆ ರೋಗ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ರೋಗ ஜப்பானில் நேற்று ஏற்பட்ட 6.5 ரிக்டர் அளவிலான சக்தி வாய்ந்த நிலநடுக்கத்திற்கு பிறகு 55க்கும் மேற்பட்ட அதிர்வுகள் இன்று உணரப்பட்டதாக அந்நாட்டின் பேரிடர் மேலாண்மை நிறுவனம் தெரிவித்துள்ளது. பாதிப்பு ஏற்பட்ட இடங்களில் கடும் மழையும் நிலச்சரிவும் ஏற்படக்கூடும் என்றும் அது மேலும் எச்சரித்துள்ளது. இந்த நிலநடுக்கத்தால் பாதிக்கப்பட்ட
వేరుశనగను సాగు చేసే రైతులు కిలో విత్తనానికి 1 గ్రాము రుబుకొనజోల్ లేదా 3 గ్రాముల మ్యాంకోజెబ్ పొడిమందును పట్టణంలో ఇస్తారు. భూమి ద్వారా సంక్రమించే తెగుళ్లు సమస్యాత్మకంగా ఉన్న ప్రాంతాల్లో కిలో విత్తనానికి 10 గ్రాముల ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಶಿವಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಬೋಧಿಸಿ ಮುಕ್ತರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವತರಿಸಿರಲು ಇವಳು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮಾಯಾಜಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಡವಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಳು. ಹೇ ಮಾಯೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಬೀಳತಕ್ಕವರಲ್ಲ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಎಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅತಿ ಹೇಯವಾದದ್ದೆಂದು ಅಂದಿರುವರು.
ಸುಂದರಾಂಗ, ಏನೆಂದು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ?
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅತಿ ಹೇಸಿ ಎಂದು ಅಂದೆನು.
ಬಾಬಾ ರೋಯಣ್ಣ ಕಾಂತ ಸದ್ಗುಣವಂತ, ಬಾಬಾ ರೋಯಣ್ಣ ಕಾಂತ ಸದ್ಗುಣವಂತ, ಬಾಬಾ ರೋಯಣ್ಣ कांत.
त्यांच्याकडे बघून लोक कदाचित आपण जे तापमान निर्मिती करतो ते कमी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करू शकतो. खरं तर प्रत्येक लावलेली आग, प्रत्येक आपलेलं बटन, प्रत्येक निर्माण केलेलं तापमान हे अल्टिमेटली तापमान वृद्धीला कारणीभूत ठरतंय. कारण प्रत्येक वेळेला अशा प्रकारच्या तापमानाच्या एका ठिकाणावर दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी किंवा एका पदार्थावर दुसऱ्या पदार्थाकडे जाणाऱ्याच्या प्रक्रियेमध्ये ते तापमान
education. ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠତା ମନୀଷ କୁମାର ଓ ପୂଜା ଭାରତୀଙ୍କ ସମେତ ସଂଗଠନର ସମସ୍ତ କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତା ଓ ସହକାରୀ ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ ଚୂଡ଼ାମଣି ଦଳେଇ ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ସହର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ବିଗାଡୁଥିବା ବର୍ଜ୍ୟ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ପଲିଥିନ୍କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ନିର୍ମାଣ ହେଉଛି ଜୈବ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର। ଏହାଦ୍ୱାରା କେବଳ ଆବର୍ଜନାର ଉଚିତ ପରିଚାଳନା ହେଉନି,
ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ವಾರ್ತೆಗಳು ആകാശവാണിയിൽ നിന്ന്.
ആകാശവാണി വാർത്തകളും വാർത്താധിഷ്ഠിത പരിപാടികളും ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ റേഡിയോ ന്യൂസ് തിരുവനന്തപുരം എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൽ ലഭ്യമാണ്. കൂടുതൽ വാർത്തകൾക്കായി ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ റേഡിയോ ന്യൂസ് തിരുവനന്തപുരം എന്ന ഫേസ്ബുക്ക് പേജും AIR_News_TVM എന്ന ട്വിറ്റർ ഹാൻഡിലും സന്ദർശിക്കാം. ഡോക്ടർ ടി ഗീത അവர்கள் கூறும் கருத்துக்களை கேட்கலாம். கால்நடை வளர்ப்புதான் அவர்களுக்கு யுத்த துணையாக பக்கபலமாக இருந்து வருகிறது. கால்நடைகள் மூலம் ஒரு
கால்நடை நமக்கு செல்வம் என்றோம், கால்நடை மாடுகள் தெய்வம் என்றோம், மாடு மாடு உலகில் நமக்கு
ऐकुब्यानो आयची हे सावडेर कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आयज सावडेर कार्यावळीन आयकुया सातेरी केळबाय 12 वर्षीय महिला मंडळ गुळे 70 हांच्यांनी सादर केल्ली भजनाची कार्यावळ.
श्री सातेरी केळबाय 12 अंश महिला भजनी मंडळ मोरले गुळले 70 गोवा या पंगडान सादर केल्ली भजनाची कार्यावळ.
Well, that was the end of this video. I would like to hold my thoughts on the performance of this radio on AM band as of now. I will do a detailed review on AM band again in the future. Well, there is a lot more to talk about this radio. You can expect multiple videos on this radio from me in the near future. So thank you for watching the video till the end. I'm posting few of the photos that I took of this radio at the end of this video. So I hope you like it. Please share your thoughts, comments, likes about this radio so that I can include it in the next video that I upload. Thank you and bye bye.